In this video, I'll show you how to switch from AT&T to Visible. Firstly, visit the AT&T's Unlock portal and enter your phone's IMEI number. Your device must be fully paid off and have no contract obligations. Just to port out your number from AT&T to Visible, you'll need AT&T account number, transfer PIN, and billing zip code. Go to Visible's website and select a plan. Choose Unlimited or Visible Plus. Then at the checkout, select Keep My Number when prompt. If using a physical SIM, insert it into your phone. If using an eSIM, follow the Visible's. Now download the Visible app, follow the activation steps, and when prompt, enter your AT&T account number, transfer PIN, and billing zip code. Confirm the transfer and wait for Visible to process the request. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.